Hi, I'm Kaley. I'm part of the merchandising team here at QE Home. Today I'm at the Tsawwassen Mills location and I'm going to show you how to style your bed 2 different ways. So this collection here is called Villa. It is part of the Elemental collection. It's brand new for spring. The Elemental collection really plays on the serene, rustic textures. So when I was styling this bed, I really wanted to create pairings that really played to that. So here we have our new linen cushion, which is in the flax color. And it's another texture, but it's still playing off that really soft tone. For sheeting, I picked the Rainforest Beach Bliss, which is another really soft, silky texture to add to the bed, along with the White Beach Bliss sheeting as well, just to play on, again, the softness. And then here we have the Flax Euro. It's also that linen and it matches our cushion at the bottom of the bed. So for the second styling of Villa, I really wanted to pull in more of the boho accessories to really emphasize all the different textures that Villa has. We start off with this round cushion. We've got a macrame square, just like adding in lots of different textures to your beds. And then this gorgeous throw that has lots of different textures, but still keeping like that white kind of creaminess. For Villa, we have our matching shams, but for this collection, we also have matching Euros, which doesn't always happen in our collection, so this one's a special one. For the sheeting, I chose more of like a silky texture to kind of offset the more rustic textures that are already on the bed. So I did 2 Beach Bliss. One is our creamy cloud sheet, and then our white, nice, crisp Beach Bliss sheet as well. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in store and online.